Hello, welcome again. We are solving GATE 2024 Mechanical Engineering paper. Question number 39 is at the current basic feasible solution V naught is related to error number 5. The simplest method yields the following form of a linear programming problem in standard form. Minimize z is equal to minus x1 minus 2x2 subjected to x3 is equal to 2 plus 2x1 minus x2, x4 is equal to 7 plus x1 minus 2x2, x5 is equal to 3 minus x1, x1, x2, x3, x4, x5 greater than equal to 0. Here the objective function is written as a function of non-basic variables. If the simplest method moves to the addition basic feasible solution V1 related to R real number 5, that best improves the objective function. Which of the following represents the objective function at V1, assuming that the objective function is written in the same manner as above. Z is equal to minus 4 5 minus 5x1 plus 2x3. Option B, Z is equal to minus 3 plus x5 minus 2x2. And option C, Z is equal to minus 4 minus 5x1 plus 2x4. And option B, Z is equal to minus 6 5x1 2x3. So here we can see that option A and option B are in terms of x1 and x3. And checking these two options, so first of all we have x3 is equal to 2 plus 2x1 minus x2, and we will find out the value of x2 in terms of x1 and x2, and in terms of x1 and x2 we input here and check whether A or B gets satisfied or A or D gets satisfied or not. So from this x3 is equal to 2 plus 2x1 minus x2, and minus x2 is equal to x3 minus 2 minus 2x1. Now here 2 minus 2x2 is here, so minus 2x2 is 2x3 minus 4 minus 4x. Putting here it will be 2x3 minus 4 minus 4x1 and minus x3 are equal. So it will be minus 4 minus 5x1 plus 2x3. So it means option A is satisfied. So it will improve the solution. Okay, so that is the V1. We put x value of x2 here, and then the next solution is here V1. So answer is here